Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. In last class we started chapter number 14 of our book, which is polygons. Okay, so we have understood the meaning of curve, what do we mean by curve, types of curve, then we have understood the meaning of polygon and then types of polygon. Okay, so now today we will discuss very important topic of this chapter, angles of a polygon. Angles of a polygon. Most of the questions will be based on this further discussion now. Okay, so now we will discuss about the regular polygon. For a regular polygon of n sides, okay, for a regular polygon of n sides, each exterior angle is equals to 360 upon n degree. We measure angle in terms of degree. So for each regular polygon with having n sides, the each exterior angle is equals to 360 upon n degrees. Okay, each interior angle is equals to 180 degree minus each exterior angle. So once we have calculated the value of this exterior angle, okay, then we will subtract this value from 180 degree. We will subtract this value from 180 degree. So we will get the value of interior angle. Okay. So now let's once again discuss the meaning of interior and exterior angles first. Okay, what do we mean by interior and exterior angles? So with the help of a triangle, we will understand. Okay. So interior angles we have also understood in last lecture. Okay. If this is triangle A, B, C. Okay. So which angles will be interior angles? Okay. Look, this angle is interior angle. This angle is another interior angle. And this angle is also an interior angle. So let it be angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Okay. So we also discussed in last lecture that the number of interior angles is equals to the number of sides of the polygon. Okay. Now what do we mean by exterior angle? What do we mean by exterior angle? Okay. So let's understand. Now if I will produce this side AC like this, if I will produce this side AC like this, okay, this side BC like this and this side AB like this. Okay, if you will produce all these sides, okay, then look at this angle, look at this angle, look at this angle and then this angle. Okay, so let it be angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. So these angles, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6, these are exterior angles. These are exterior angles of this polygon or this triangle, right? So the angle 1, 2 and 3 are interior angles, while angle 4, 5 and 6 are exterior angles. Okay. So now let's calculate the value of these angles in case of triangle. Okay. So exterior angle, each exterior angle. Okay. Now regular polygon means what? Regular polygon means, we discussed in the last class, a polygon in which all sides are equal is known as a regular polygon. Is known as a regular polygon. So exterior angle will be, now a triangle has 3 sides. So n is equals to 3 here. N is 3 because a triangle has 3 sides. Okay. So exterior angle will be equals to 360 upon 3 degree. That means it will be 120 degree. So each angle 4, 5 and 6 will be equals to 120 degree. Okay. Now what will be the value of interior angles? Okay. The value of interior angles will be 180 degree minus the value of each exterior angle, which is 120 in this case. So it will be 180 minus 120, that means 60 degree. So in case of a triangle, each exterior angle is of 120 degree while each interior angle is of 60 degree. This is for regular polygon only. These formulas are for regular polygon only. So you have to read the question very carefully. If you have been asked about regular polygon, then you can apply these two formulas to calculate the value of exterior and interior angles. Okay. Then for a convex polygon, okay, now what is convex polygon? A polygon which does not intersect itself, or a polygon in which any side does not intersect any of the other sides is known as a convex polygon. Okay, we have discussed this in the previous lecture of this chapter. So for a convex polygon of n sides, okay, in case of a convex polygon, sum of all exterior angles is equals to 4 multiplied by right angles. Now what do we mean by right angle? A right angle is of how much measurement? It is of 90 degree. So what will be the sum of all exterior angles? It will be 4 multiplied by 90 degree. That means 360 degree. Okay. Now you can see in this case that in this formula there is no n. Okay, in this formula there is no application of n. Okay, n is what? N is the number of sides. Like in this case we have exterior angle equals to 360 degree upon n. That means for different values of n, the value of exterior angle will be different, and accordingly the value of interior angles will also be different. But here we do not have any value n here. Okay, that means for all types of polygon, either it is a triangle or a quadrilateral or a pentagon or a hexagon and so on, the sum of exterior angles is constant. Okay, you can see in this example, okay, exterior angles are angle 4, 5 and 6. Now if we add the values of all these angles, then it will be 120 plus 120 plus 120. That means 120 plus 120 plus 120, plus 120. So how much it is? It is 360 degree. Okay. So for all types of polygons with any side, the sum of exterior angles remains constant. In case of convex polygon only, okay, this formula is applicable for convex polygon only. It is 360 degrees, sum of all exterior angles. Then sum of all interior angles is equals to 2n minus 4. Now here we have n. 2n minus 4 multiplied by right angle. 2n minus 4 multiplied by right angle. Okay. So let's take the example of a quadrilateral. Okay. So let's rub this. Okay. Fine. So in case of a quadrilateral, okay, let me draw the figure first. Okay. So say this is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. Okay. So how many sides a quadrilateral has? A quadrilateral has 4 sides. Okay. So n is equals to 4 in this case. Okay. Now which are the interior angles of this quadrilateral? Look. This angle, angle 1. Okay. Then this angle, angle 2. Then this angle 3. And lastly this angle, angle 4. So angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are what? These are the interior angles of a quadrilateral. Then which will be the exterior angles? Can we draw? Yes. Okay. So let's extend this side like this. Okay. Let's extend this side like this. Then this side like this. And lastly this side in this way. Okay. So this angle, let it be 5. Then angle 6. Then angle 7. And then this angle 8. These are what? These are the exterior angles. So angle 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is how much? Angle 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 It is how much? It is 360 degree. 360 degree. Now what is the value of, what is the sum of all interior angles? Okay, sum of interior angles. So let's apply the formula. 2 multiplied by n. N is how much? 4. 2 multiplied by 4 minus 4 multiplied by right angles. Right angle is how much? 90 degree. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 4 is how much? 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So it is 4 multiplied by 90 degree. Hence it is 360 in this case. 360 in this case. Okay. So what is the sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral? It is 360 degree. Okay. In case of pentagon, okay, a pentagon has 5 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides. So the value of n for a pentagon is 5. So what is the sum of all interior angles of a pentagon? It is 2 multiplied by 5 minus 4 multiplied by 90. Okay. So it is how much? 2 multiplied by 5 is how much? 10. 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. So it is 6 multiplied by 90. And 6 multiplied by 90 is how much? It is 540 degree. So what is the sum of all interior angles of a pentagon? It is 540 degree. Right? So in this way we can calculate the sum of all interior angles of any convex polygon. Okay, we just want to know the number of sides. Okay, then number of diagonals in a polygon. Now what do we mean by diagonal? Okay, so let's understand with the help of a quadrilateral. Okay, so say this is what? A quadrilateral. It is A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. I told you in the previous class that the point A, B, C and D, they are known as vertex of these quadrilateral. They are known as what? The vertex. Okay. So the corner points are known as the vertices of a polygon. Now if we join these opposite vertices, if I join A with C and if I join B with D, okay, then AC and BD, they are what? The diagonals of the polygon. They are what? The diagonals of a polygon. Now you can see that there are two diagonals in a quadrilateral. There are two diagonals in a quadrilateral. So the value of D, number of diagonals, is 2. So now let's check it with the help of this formula. Okay. So according to this formula, the n for a quadrilateral is 4. Okay. So 4 multiplied by 4 minus 3 is how much? 1. Okay. Divided by 2. Okay. So 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 divided by 2. How much value it is? 4 upon 2 is 2. So according to formula also we got the exact value 2. Okay. So in this way we can calculate the number of diagonals in a polygon. Okay. Now let's do some questions. Okay. Let's look at some examples based on this discussion. Find the measure of each exterior angle. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Now look, the word regular polygon is given here. So you have to apply the formula of regular polygon for which? Exterior angle. Okay. Now what is the formula of exterior angle of a polygon? Each exterior angle of a polygon is 360 divided by n degrees. 360 divided by n degrees. So what is the value of n here? The value of n here is 12. Okay, it has given us 12 sides. Okay, so what will be the value of each exterior angle? It will be 360 divided by 12. Okay, then how much it is? It is 30 degree. So each exterior angle is equals to 30 degree. Now if in the same question we have been asked about the interior angle, that what is the value of each interior angle? Can we find out? Definitely we can find out. The interior angle is equals to 180 degree minus the value of exterior angle. Okay, we have seen in the formula. So 180 degree minus, what is the value of each exterior angle? 30 degree, we have just calculated. So minus 30 degree, so it is how much? 150 degree. So what is the value of each interior angle? It is 150 in this case. Okay, that means if we want to find out the value of interior angle, okay, then we must know the value of exterior angle first. Okay, next question, find the measure of each interior angle of an octagon. अब हमें interior angle पता करना है किसका? octagon का. Now in case of octagon, the number of side is equals to 8. We discussed in the previous lecture that in case of octagon, the number of sides are how much? It is 8. So in order to find out the value of interior angle, first we have to calculate the value of each exterior angle. So it is how much? 360 degree divided 360 upon n degree. Okay, so how much it is? 360 upon 8, okay, degree, because the value of n, okay, that means the number of sides is 8 here. Okay, so how much this value is? Okay, 360 divided by 8 is how much? It is 45 degree. 45 degree. Okay, now the value of interior angle, the value of interior angle will be how much? It will be 180 minus 45 degree. 180 minus 45 degree, that means how much it is? It is 135 degree. 135 degree, right? So in this way we can calculate the value of exterior as well as interior angles of a polygon. Okay, now what is the sum of all interior angles of a polygon of 10 sides? Okay, what is the sum of all interior angles? अब हमसे क्या पूछा गया है? Sum of all interior angles. Okay, interior angles का sum, देखिए हमने क्या फॉर्मूला पढ़ा था अभी? 2n minus 4 multiply by right angle. 2n minus 4 multiply by right angle. तो sum of all interior angles is equals to 2n minus 4 multiply by 90 degree. In mathematics, students, you first have to write down the formula always, and then you have to put the values to get the required answer. Okay, here n is how much? N is 10, so it will be 2 multiply by 10 minus 4 multiply by 90 degree. 2 multiply by 10 minus 4 multiply by 90 degree. How much it is? 20 minus 4 multiply by 90 degree. 20 minus 4 multiply by 90 degree. How much it is? It is 16. 20 minus 4 is how much? 16. Okay, so it is 16 multiply by 90 degree. So if you calculate this value, this will be 1440 degrees. 1440 degree. So what is the sum of all interior angles of a polygon with 10 sides? It is 1440 degree. Okay, let's move ahead. What is the number of diagonals in a pentagon? Number of diagonals we have been asked. Okay, so what is the formula of number of diagonals? Sorry, number of diagonals is how much? It is n multiplied by n minus 3 divided by 2. So how much it will be? It will be in a pentagon. How many sides do we have? We have 5 sides in a pentagon. So it will be 5 multiplied by 5 minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so it is 5 multiplied by 2 upon 2. So 2 will cancel out with 2 and the answer is 5. So how many diagonals do we have in a pentagon? We have 5 diagonals in a pentagon. Okay. Okay. Now these are the questions based on calculating the value of a missing angles in a polygon. Okay, so some information will be given to us, and based on that information we have to find out the value of the remaining angle. Okay, it may be one or more than one angles. Find the measure of x in this figure. We have to find out the measure of this angle. Okay, so how much it will be? Look, this is a quadrilateral. This polygon is a quadrilateral. And what is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral? So first what we have to do? We have to find out the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral. Okay, so we will write down sum of all interior angles, okay, of a quadrilateral. Okay, you have to write down full statement. Sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is equals to, it is 2n minus 4 multiplied by 90 degree. Okay, how much it is? It is 2 multiplied by 4 minus 4 multiplied by 90 degree. Okay, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, and 4 multiplied by 90 is 360 degree. Okay, we have just calculated in the previous examples. Okay, so sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now out of all these, 3 angles are given. Okay, that means what I can write down? Angle this plus this plus this plus this, that means angle A, okay, plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is how much? 360 degree. Okay, that means angle A is how much? 60 degree plus angle B is x degree, which we have to find out. Angle C is 120 degree and angle D is 110 degree, equals to 360 degrees. Okay, how much these values are? 120 plus 60 is 180 and 180 plus 110 is 290. So we can write down that x degree plus 290 degree is equals to 360 degree. So what is the value of x here? It will be 360 degree minus 290 degrees. So this will be 70 degree. The value of x is 70 degree in this case. Okay, let's do one more example. In the following figure, find the value of x plus y plus z, angle x plus angle y plus angle z. Okay, now you can see in this example that angle x, angle y and angle z are what? They are the exterior angles. They are the exterior angles. Okay, so how we can find out their value? We have to find out the value of x plus y plus z. Now what is the sum of exterior angles? Okay, look, we have just seen the sum of exterior angles. The sum of exterior angles is equals to 4 multiplied by 90 degree. 4 multiplied by 90 degree. So we can directly write down that as x, y and z are exterior angles. Exterior angles. Therefore, x plus y plus z is equals to 4 multiplied by 90 degree. That means 360 degree. That means 360 degree. Okay, so we can directly find out their value. Okay. Okay, one more example. In the given figure, find the angle measure x. Find the angle measure x. हमें यहाँ पर क्या पता करना है? This angle. Okay, this angle we have to find out. Okay, now it is again based on the sum of exterior angles. You can see that in quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, look, this angle 90 degree is what? An exterior angle. Then this angle 50 degree is again an exterior angle. Then this angle 115 degree is again an exterior angle, and angle x is also an exterior angle. Now what is the sum of exterior angles of a polygon? It is 360 degree. So what we can write down? That sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is how much? 360 degree. That means we can write down that 90 degree plus 50 degree plus 115 degree plus x degree is equals to 360 degree. Okay, now let's calculate this value. 90 plus 50 is how much? 140. Okay, 140 plus 115 is how much? 255. 255 degrees plus x is equals to how much? 360 degree. So what is the value of x here? The value of x will be 360 degree minus 255 degree. Okay, so how much it will be? It will be 105 degree. 105 degree. So the value of x or the measure of x, angle x is 105 degrees. Okay. So students, with this we have completed all the concepts of polygons. We have seen various examples based on these concepts. Now you can try exercise 14a and 14b based on this discussion. Okay, you can try all the questions. I hope that you will be able to solve all these questions. Okay, so goodbye to all of you and take care.